Today is the 26th of November 2020 and this is Melkonkatu 3, staircase A, and we have from the staircases B and C in this residential building as well. The capacity is 4 persons sorting and 20 grams, and it has the NPN 8 buttons, but the NPN 6 stop and alarm buttons inside. This was built in 1973, will be 50 years old in 2023. Now 7 floors here. Now the serial number is H29305 and it's going to be inspected in 2022. Let's write it. Looks like the floor P and 6 numbers have been updated more in the early 2000s.
Yeah.
Otherwise, the numbers are original. This is in Vattoniemi, Halones. Lauttasaari, Tromsø, Helsinki, Helsingfors, Finland.
Inspekteeritbara, kiva inspected, maintained by Kone.
Clean maintenance.
Yeah.
All 3 of these. Also beneath this one we have an older sticker there.
Yeah.
In the staircase C we can see it clearly. It was 2014, 2016.
Yeah.
Just press down. I pressed it already.
Yeah.
Also it looks like they did some sort of, they had to replace the frame above the door.
Yeah.
A little bit. Wonder why. Strange. I think, but they probably did it also in the other versions.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's